Sure, why not? So I needed the sausage for, I wanted to add it to my black-eyed peas and okra, so I sauteed it with herbs and butter. I added 2 bags of black-eyed peas and a bag of okra frozen. I put it on high for an hour and a half, and then I removed the lid and I added some salt. Altogether, ended up using about a tablespoon. And I'm not a fan of the chicken sausages. It's always Italian or this Applewood stuff, and I just had to pick one because my kid wanted chicken. Other herbs was smoked paprika, regular paprika, chili powder, salt, pepper. But I did not have high hopes for this because of the apple chicken sausage. But it actually turned out really good. Otherwise, I would not be sharing. Well, I would be sharing it as a fail, but it came out really good. So I needed to put butter in this. I put it back in for about 3 hours on high. And in the meantime, I made cornbread and I added some decorations to it. But when it was ready, it looked like this. It was on high for at least, 3 more hours. My friend who'd never had black-eyed peas and okra at all liked it. I was very surprised. It made me feel very good. Stay golden, you guys. Bye.